Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Tournament DX. We'll start by understanding the core mechanics that make this fighting game unique. You'll learn about the two distinct battle phases, Field and Duel, and how to transition between them. We'll also cover the fundamental attack triangle of normal, grab, and counter attacks, which is crucial for winning exchanges. Plus, I'll show you how to effectively use your support Pokémon and unleash devastating synergy bursts to turn the tide of any match. Let's dive deeper into the two battle phases. In the field phase, you have full three-dimensional movement, allowing for strategic positioning and projectile zoning. This phase is excellent for setting up your attacks from a distance. Once you land a strong attack, the battle transitions into the duel phase. Here, the combat becomes a more traditional two-dimensional fighter, focusing on close-range combos and precise timing. Mastering the transitions and understanding the strengths of each phase is key to dominating your opponents. A fundamental concept in Pokémon Tournament DX is the attack triangle, a simple yet deep rock-paper-scissors system. Normal attacks, often quick jabs or combos, will beat grab attacks, interrupting your opponent's attempt to throw you. Grab attacks, on the other hand, are designed to break through counter-attacks, leaving your opponent vulnerable. Finally, counter-attacks absorb incoming normal attacks and deliver a powerful retaliation. Understanding and predicting your opponent's choices within this triangle is vital for consistent victories. Beyond your main Pokémon, you have powerful allies in your support Pokémon and the Synergy Burst mechanic. Support Pokémon offer a variety of effects, from healing and stat boosts to offensive attacks, each with a cooldown. Selecting the right support set for your playstyle is crucial. Synergy Burst is your ultimate comeback mechanic, temporarily boosting your Pokémon's stats, granting super armor, and allowing access to a devastating burst attack. Timing its activation can completely change the flow of a match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.